guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to do what I announced not long ago in my shorts, unboxing a real RMS dumpling. I am so excited. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the dumpling I got in the mail. I'm so excited. Let's see it. Wait, you guys, wait a minute. It said it was real. You guys, look, this is what it showed me. What the heck? Hold it. I ordered, it said it was a real RMS dumpling, but it lied. Oh well, it is what it is because I've been waiting 2 darn weeks for this dumpling. So, I'm just gonna open it anyways. Okay, so here it is. Super cute. It's so cute. I'm so excited. Even though it's not real, I'm still so excited because I've been waiting 2 weeks for this. Okay, so here it is. Obviously, it does not say RMS. It's not RMS. But yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm just gonna take this out. There. Oh, I don't even know where that went. Okay, guys, dumpling reveal in 3, 2, 1. It's so cute. It's so cute. Wait, you guys. What the heck? What the heck? This is air. What the heck? You guys, what the heck? It's air. It is, guys, it is air. What the heck? It's like, I know it has shaving cream in it, but like the rest is air. That explains why it was only $8. That's just, it's like, it has a dent, bro. Bro, it has a dent. It's like, it's dirty. Ew. That's so weird. You guys, this is, don't get this. Don't get this. It's like, bro, it's not even real like it says, and it has air. It has air. What the heck? Okay, this is such a ripoff. Well, I mean, at least I can make fart sounds with it. Okay, guys. No. Don't get it. Where's that thing? I'm so close to returning this, bro. It's broken. Oh. It's broken, guys. No. No. Don't order stuff online. I also ordered a wax squishy, but it came melted. No. Don't order stuff from Walmart, y'all. Because they were both from Walmart and just... No. No. Brother. What the heck? I dropped it. Dude, what the heck? You guys, I'm putting this back and I am returning it. Because no. No. Don't get stuff from Walmart, guys. I mean, like, sure, Walmart's a great store in person, but, like, do not order stuff online from Walmart. One, my wax squishy came melted, and two, my dumpling, like, literally. Okay, you guys, lesson learned, don't get stuff online at Walmart. No. Don't get stuff online at Walmart. Lesson learned. No. Do not. And then the worst part, it took 2.5 weeks to get here. No. And it was delayed 2 times. Well, I'm glad I didn't rip the packaging because now I can return it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't buy stuff on Walmart online. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.